If you're like me and you were having the problem of the display capture black screen on OBS, or you're still having the problem, I fixed my problem, so I can't really show you what I mean, but basically when you add a game capture to OBS, it would just be like a black screen. Even when your game is open, it would just not record the screen, but the audio will be recording. 1 out of 10 videos on YouTube that I actually watched worked for like 2 times I tried to record, and then it stopped working again. So let me teach you my method of fixing it, because it works every time. What I want you to do is right click on your taskbar at the bottom, go on Task Manager, and then under Processes, and then under Background Processes, you scroll down until you find OBS process. I don't have mine open because I just closed it because I was having the problem and I wanted to record some gameplay. But if you have a process called OBS 64, I believe, then all you have to do is just right click and task on that process. That's all that you have to do. Okay, and then you open your game, open OBS, and I'm not sure why they say you should run it as admin, so that's what I do. I run it as admin. I'm not sure why it makes a difference, but you can run it as admin, and then it should be working fine for you. It was working fine for me, and this might happen again in the future where it's just gonna be a black screen. So all you have to do is just do this again, and it will be working again. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, then make sure you subscribe for more content like this.